No, one. Throw one for Biscuit over there.
There's only one left, isn't it? Oh, no.
No, throw part of one.
Why? Okay.
Throw that one now.
That one, take the goddamn picture.
Just
It's a video.
Oh, it's video? Oh.
Hi, I'm Gravy.
Ugh.
I just
He's looking for more.
egg whites. Look, his belly's poking out a little bit now.
Oh. God, this is gonna be bad news. She's giving the dog the eggs. It's like an experiment. You don't know what's going to happen.
See if you kill the dog.
Yo, turns out dogs aren't supposed to eat eggs.
Dogs are scavengers. They can eat anything. Hi, I'm Gravy. I shall poop all over your floor.
Next, I'm going to make him a runny